Good morning. Welcome to the Live Free and Homestead channel. Today we're going to take a look at the latest addition to the Homestead. I needed a piece of equipment to spread gravel to build that road. And I came across this this rather old skid steer at a auction. Anyways, you know how auctions go. You can get a little carried away, and of course I did, and I ended up with this machine and the trailer. All in all, though, it's a lot cheaper than buying something even 10 years old. But today we'll take it off the trailer, exercise it a little bit. I think we got to do some maintenance on it. It needs a few things. Let's take a look. So it comes with pallet forks. They're rather short. Comes with this bucket that's supposed to be 6 cubic feet. It looks ridiculously tiny, but that's what it is. I had to take my battery out of my Jeep to get this started, but it ran no problem. It has a Honda engine in it. I believe it's a GX 670, but I gotta figure that out. It looks like they replaced, from what I could tell, maybe they were originally chain drive to the pump. But obviously this has been repowered. Yeah, it's a GX 670, says it right there. The pictures I've seen show there being an oil filter over in that area, somewhere near the starter, but I don't see it. It's a Honda 24 horse. Oh, there's the oil filter right there. Right up over here. And look at that. They even have a, guess you think I'd call it a petcock, which will allow me to drain the oil. So that'll be interesting. Look at what they did when they repowered this. They put in 3 plates of 1-inch steel. That's a few pounds there. Alrighty, let's get this off the trailer and see how crazy was I. Kind of cold out this morning, even though it's almost May. Thanks for taking the time to watch. If you enjoyed the video, please make sure to like and subscribe. I plan on making a bunch more videos about this machine, its maintenance, repair, and the use of the machine. If you subscribe, you'll get notifications about future updates. Also, please share with your friends. It'll help me build this channel. I would really appreciate it. Have a good day. Bye.